I went from this monitor layout to this new monitor layout. Let's begin. So this is how I started the process. Right here, I take you guys through my thought process of how I want to run these cables. I've installed my Elgato key light with my Elgato camera and my new Elgato arm that's holding the camera. So basically, this has a little crease in between where I can run the Elgato key light power cord and also the Elgato camera USB 3.0 cord. Now, I want to run this under the desk really tight so it doesn't show, but I had a slight problem with it not being enough. So I had to go to Best Buy and get a new cable to go with that. And then what you see right here, just me getting the monitor mount together. And now you can see that I'm trying to put the first monitor on, and you do see my little daughter's handprint in the screen. And real quick, rest in peace to the legend, Akira Toriyama. Moment of silence. Okay, now, so I have this monitor that I've had for a while, and it is my portrait monitor that I'm still going to use and put on the setup. That is my new LG monitor that I'm going to flip upside down, put on top of the other one. As you see right here, I'm going to have the other monitor to the left-hand side. I'm going to have obviously the top monitor up there. Now, I did buy this monitor stand a long time ago, but I'm putting it here to level out the monitors to make sure it's all straight and all centered. But I also putting it down here to hide the cords. Big brain, you want to hide everything. And also want to hide the ones that are going back there also. Next process to add things that's going on the desk. My new wireless charger for my AirPods, iPhone, and Apple Watch are going right here. Get that out the way. As you can see, we had to put my Pokemon mat on there before we went any further. This is a great thing about having a sit-stand desk. You can bring everything down. I thought I had to have a ladder to put this monitor on here, but I didn't because I remembered that my desk can go down as low as I needed to. And as you can see, we're pretty much just putting that last monitor on there to kind of wrap the setup up at this point. So right now we have all three monitors on here. And this is the final product. Now let's move over to where everybody loves, cable management. I use these right here. These are Velcro zip ties. I definitely use those bad boys right there. As you can see, I have one right here for the Steam Deck pedal. What I do with cable management is use what I have. I don't know if you can see it, but I have cables wrapped around here to stay out the way. I have this cable wrapped around other cables to kind of go onto this monitor. These is like one of my USB lights. The monitor lamp up here, I have it wrapped around going over here. You can see when it comes to the power stuff, I kind of just have everything wrapped nice and neat and tight. The only thing on the ground is just the power surge protector right here. And I do have this cage that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna link that below, so if you wanna grab you one, you can. The only cable that's just gonna be on the floor is the Ethernet cable for my computer. So the simple fact that I move this desk back and forth too much, and I don't want to have to run cables over here and then up this way just so it can be like that. I move the desk too much. That's the only cable that I just refuse to do anything with. But that's pretty much it. You can see, you know, no cables on the ground besides obviously this one.